and then reinforcements from attic, trapdoors, blind robot faces prepared down with faucet, mouths gushing green chemical. The fire backed off, as even an elephant must at the sight of dead snake. Now there were 20 snakes whipping over the floor, killing the fire with a clear cold venom. But the fire was clear. It had sent flames outside the house, up through the attic to the pumps there. An explosion. The attic brain, which directed the pump, was shattered into bronze sharpened on the beams. The fire rushed back into every closet and felt of the clothes hung there. The house shuddered, oak bone on bone, its bared skeleton. Cringing from the heat, veins and capillaries quiver in the scalded air. Help! Help! Fire! Run! Run! Heat snapped mirrors like the first brittle winter ice, and the voice wailed, "Fire! Fire! Run! Run!" Like a tragic nursery rhyme, a dozen voices, high, low, like children dying in a forest alone, alone, and the voices fading as the wires popped there, seething like hot chestnuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 voices died. The fire burst the house and let it slam flat down, puffing out skirts of spark and smoke. In the kitchen, an instant before the rain of fire and timber, the stove could be seen making breakfast at psychopathic rate. The pronunciation will be psychopathic rate. 10 dozen eggs, 6 loaves of toast, 20 dozen bacon strips, which eaten by fire started the stove working again, hysterically hissing. The crash, the attic smashing into kitchen and parlor, the parlor into cellar, cellar into sub-cellar, deep freeze, armchair, film tapes, circuits, beds, and all like skeletons thrown in a cluttered mound deep under smoke and silence, a great quantity of smoke. Dawn showed faintly in the east among the ruins. One wall stood alone. Within the wall, a last voice said over and over again and again, even as the sun rose to shine upon the heaped rubble and steam. Today is August 5, 2026. Today is August 5, 2026. Yes. So guys, this is the complete story. You will read the story first from page 62 up to page 65 loudly, and whatever the pronunciation or accent I have read before you, you follow that. And I am going to give you 15 words. Those words are not given in the glossary at the bottom of the story. Apart from these word meanings, there are many words to understand. So you note down 15 words, search the meaning of those words and note it down in your copy. So the first word is incinerator. The pronunciation will be incinerator. Incinerator. Okay. INCINC-NERATOR. Incinerator. 2. Hearth. 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 3. Bow. You will pronounce as bow. BOUGH. Bow. 5. Squeaked. 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 Next is scurrying. Scurrying is 4th. You can write number 4, that is scurrying, and 5 is squeaked. SCURRYING. Scurrying. It is 4th. 5th is squeaked. 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 6. Crackled. 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 7. Gushing. 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 8. Whipping. 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 9. Closet. CLOSET. 10. Shuddered. 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 11. Snapped. 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 12. Instant. 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 13. Smashing. 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 14. Heaped. HEAPED. And the last one is cellar. 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 These are the 15 words. First you read the chapter, then find out the meaning of these 15 words. In my next lecture, I will explain the chapter, because this is a supernatural story. You have to understand the story. First you read it on your own, and you assess yourself that how far you have understood yourself. Then in my next lecture, because once again you will be having English, so that day I will explain the entire story. So guys, this is your home assignment. Today I am not going to give you any questions, only 15 words, and your assignment, that will be your immense reading of this chapter. So this much for the day. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.